Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply add crossfade to your songs on your Spotify playlist. So select your profile here and select settings, and then you're going to scroll down until you find playback. Now I have my playback my crossfade set to 5 seconds. You can adjust it here for like a minimum of 1 second and maximum of 12 seconds crossfade, but I usually set it to 5. You can just turn it off here and you can enable it back here again. And what it basically does is at the end of like your songs, for instance, it's going to like kind of mesh with the song that is going to be played next, I guess. And that's the only way I can describe it. But yeah, I think I like to like mix it around. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!